Welcome to Soft Review. In this video, I want to show you how you can use the ChatGPT's free app on Windows. Now, earlier it was a paid option. Only the paid customers had access to the Windows app. Now, everyone can use it. Even the free account users will have access to the desktop version. For that, you need to just come to this page where you can download a desktop app and you just click on this button and it will take you to this page where you can download it. Just click on download and it will start downloading, and once it's installed, you just need sign in with your account. And once you are signed in, you can see a window just like this, and we have all the main options that's available. You can take a screenshot from your app, like see as it uses the screenshot, and now we can actually chat with this image or like transcribe this image. So that's a good option to have. Earlier we had that option with Copilot. I don't know just what happened to Copilot these days, but now it looks like this. But there is like a voice option. Uh, Other than the voice clarity is good, it's pretty much useless because it's not having internet access. This one also have like internet access. As you can see, you can search that. You just need to press on slash like this, and you can use DALI, and you can also find search. And there is a small shortcut. You just need to press Alt and space, and then it will pop up on your screen if it's minimized. So that's like a pretty trick if you are someone who or use this often. I hope this is a new information for you. If you learned something new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more future videos. And I will have this direct link in the description. It will take you directly to the Microsoft Store, and you can download this and enjoy it in your system as well. Again, thank you for watching. Have a great day.